Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on Exoscale. Go to QNAP Download Center and select QuTScloud. Copy the QuTScloud image download URL and the MD5 checksum for later use. Go to the Exoscale portal and log in with your Exoscale credentials. Go to Compute, greater than Templates and register a new template. Specify the template details, then click Register. You can see the created template on the template list. Go to Compute, greater than Instance and add a new instance. Open the last tab and select the created QuTScloud template. The instance must have at least 2 GB of RAM available. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. After the instance created, you can access QuTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the instance details page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the initialize video in the description. Thank you for watching.